Hey y'all, you know we like nothing more than to buy a house that needs a little bit of repair, needs a little bit of work, and making that an as-is purchase. We want to make it as easy for you as possible and as streamlined of a process. Sometimes though, we're not necessarily a good fit. So one thing I kind of wanted to cover today was how to sell your house as is when it needs repairs. So the first one, consider your options, right? You either have an as-is sale or you have a sale after you've completed the repairs. So the first one is a more My Tennessee Home Solution traditional purchase, or let's talk about that second one. So first thing you got to do, you got to be upfront about your home's condition. Does it need work? Does it need updating? Does it need a little repair here and there, or does it need an overall rehaul? Take the time to really focus on the property. Be honest with yourself and with your partner or with your family about what the property needs and what you can do to it. Now, what I'd always say a great place to start is a home inspection. Spend $200, $300, $400, depending on the size of your house, and have an expert come out and formally look through the property for any repairs or major minor issues that you may not be able to see just walking around. After that, you want to price your house correctly, right? If you're going to sell it as is, you want to make sure that the cost of those repairs is factored into your listing cost, or perform the repairs that you can or you choose to do to get to the price point that you'd like to sell your home at. If you need absolute top dollar for your house, then you want to make sure that every single thing is up to date, modern, and in perfect working condition. In that too, you want to target your buyer. If you got a property that needs a lot of work and you're looking for as is, find an investor or a cash buyer and we'll be happy to make you an on-the-spot cash offer. If you're looking to sell your house to a family, then you want to make sure that your house is set up for what a family would be looking for. 3 or 4 bedrooms, a couple bathrooms, depending on the size of the family you have or you may be looking to sell to, you want to take those things into account. And then the last one, right, is conducting those home improvements. Based on the buyer you've identified, you may have a little to no work with an as-is purchase or a bunch of projects to get started on ASAP if you're looking to sell to a family or a traditional buyer. Just remember, at the end of the day, as long as you're honest with yourself and you're honest about your goals, then you can take every step of the way and tailor it to the sell of the property in the way you want to. Because at the end of the day, it's about making sure you're taken care of, whether you're in Smyrna, Murfreesboro, Nashville, Clarksville, wherever. It's about making sure that your needs are met and what you need for your family is the number one priority. If any of that kind of rings a bell, maybe you're looking for an as-is or you want some advice before you go down the other route, give us a call. We'll be happy to sit down and talk through some options, maybe make you an offer if we find we're a good fit together. We'll get you taken care of. Transparent, easy, it'll be the best part of the day, guaranteed. Give us a call and I'm looking forward to helping you out. Have a blessed one.